Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to add promotions on or in LinkedIn. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to click on view profile right here. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to see your experience. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and start adding, position basically. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and start adding the name and the occupation and the location, starting date, and the year, and basically add the headline and the description for more details about your job basically. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here and current position as of now, basically video editor at this website or whatever basically, right? And after you've done all of that, you're gonna hit save and follow along with the instructions, and you're gonna be able to post it on social media, and you're gonna be able to see it just like this. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.